I've been having a really weird noise coming from behind the dash of my Tundra, and I could not find a solution on the internet or on YouTube, but I was able to figure out what's wrong with it. I'm going to show you in this video what it was and how to fix it. So here is the noise that was making behind the dash. So I call our dealership in Colorado Springs, and I've been in central Colorado for most of the summer, and I explained the situation, and he said, well, it could be that rats have gotten behind your dashboard and chewed through the wires. He said that would not be covered under warranty, and this truck is still under warranty. So I came back out to my truck, listened to the noise again, opened up the hood, and the sound was coming more from instead of the center of the dash. When you're in the truck, it sounds like it's coming right behind the center of the dash. It was more over towards the passenger side. So I did some more investigating. I opened up the hood, and I'll show you what I found. So right behind this vent here, this opening on the passenger side, this is where the air comes in for your HVAC, your air conditioning system. And it goes in there and then down to a filter when the filter is right behind your glove box. This was completely full of this green mess. And it was completely full of this. It was basically a rat's nest. The rats had built this massive nest. It was all inside here and went in and went all the way even down to the filter. And right below the filter is where is the fan that spins to blow your air. So what I did was I removed this. It's a rubber thing right here that pops off real easily. And then this plastic right here, there's basically, well, first you got to remove, find it here, there's a little plastic, I don't know if you can see it very well, but it's a plastic thing. Pop that off, remove that, and then this section here pops up. There's these little clips. So I was able to lift this up enough where I could reach my hand down in there and basically grab all that stuff out as best I could. And I just put a shop vac in there to get as much as I could, and I thought, okay, and then I reached even further. I could feel some more way down there, so I put my phone in there with my torch light on my phone and my videoed it, and I could see further down in there that rat's nest went all the way down to the air filter behind the glove box. So this is all you need to remove, is this, pull this clip up. I just showed you how to remove that, to reach in there. And then inside your glove box, look in your manual. It's pretty easy to remove the air filter, but when you do it, make sure you get as much of that stuff out as you can, because some of the rat's nest fell onto the actual fan. I had to use a modified shop vac to reach down in there and get all that stuff out of there. So fortunately, the rats never got to the wires. It's completely fixed, no more noise. And now I just realized I need to come out here periodically and just look in there and see if there's any evidence of the rat's nest again. I'm really surprised. I don't know how in the world they got in there. I mean, I looked all around here. I can't figure out how. Yeah, it's a little small. Yeah, they take really small rats to get in there. So I don't know. Anyway, hope this video helps somebody that ever has this noise. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.